This is 1 month old tomato, and also tomato flowers are arrived, and also some small tomatoes also we can see. And we are giving this drip system water to these plants. As you can see how it was going, this small drip system fight. See, this is a 1 year areca nut, and we grow tomato also. How it was looking, you can see. And we give fertilizer also in this plant. And in this small drip irrigation system, we can give drop and drop wise water, but the water is forcibly coming to grow. And this is a big pipe, and it was, see how it was going. This soil we are putting this, and this is second line, and this is the third line. This was 4 line, and this is a 5th line, and this is a wall. We can give this wall. After that, as you can see, this water, if we off this was closed. If we on this, like, it is coming drip irrigation system water. And see, 1 month old tomato, how it was coming, very strong and healthy. If you want more farming videos, like this video and subscribe the channel. This is our 1 acre land. As you can see the line, how it was looking.